Hello everyone, welcome to Small Woodlot. We're out on the farm today and we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of trail maintenance for around the fields and stuff. So that means cleaning up downed trees, broken trees, limbs, branches, all sorts of garbage from the storms of the winter. So let me show you our first test. Got my boy Chris here with his little Echo. And we got to go ahead and clean up this branch, this tree that came over. It didn't blow over, but boy, does it have a nice little contour to it. I don't know, it's starting to root or what.
No, it just grew over, I guess. Nothing is broken or fractured.
But we got to clear this up and out because it is definitely hanging out into the pasture. And I guarantee you.
I guess he just wanted some fresh air, man.
Yep. So we're going to cut off the tip of it there. We're going to leave all of this here for later.
And hopefully it'll just fall on its own. I think it was just too much weight on it.
Okay, hold it. You have to go back there and cut the whole thing and drop it.
Yeah. You want me to do that?
Yeah.
All right. We're going into the woods. I don't even think I have to cut a notch for this one, because no matter where it falls, it's not going to matter. It's going to fall in the same spot.
You got to cut a notch in it and make sure you have a relief.
Yeah.
Is that 90 right above his head? That's the one he's got to take.
Where do you think I should cut the notch? Here?
Yeah.
Alright. As soon as this comes down, it's going to come down right here, and all that's going to stick out that way.
Yep.
So, you think you want to move the Kubota?
No.
Alright.
You're good.
If I hit it, it's not my fault.
You're good.
I gotta tighten my chain.
All right, Chris. Leave the notch and cut the back.
What?
Leave the notch and cut the back.
Sure?
Yeah. Be ready to jump out of the way.
No shit. I'm already going.
I know. All right, cut it. Cut it. Go ahead. Cut it all the way off.
It's going slowly.
I know, cut it all the way off.
Alright.
All right.
It's on the ground. That knock is shittier than I thought.
Yes, now come clean this up.
Honestly, it wasn't too bad.
Okay, folks. This here is a part of a cedar tree, a red cedar. Right there is where it came from. And look at this. Look at how nice and pretty this is. I wish it was in straighter conditions. But I'm going to save some of this for the woodworking projects, I guess. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, folks, this takes care of cleanup tree number 2 for just getting up off the ground so we can work this field. Now I'm gonna go search out number 3 and 4. Okay, folks, I'm back here at the home front. And, well, that's the load of wood I brought out from the farm for me. About 2/3 of a leveled bed load. And my boy Chris and I are, well, we're pretty much done for the day. We need to go ahead and get some food in us. We spent 3 hours. We cleaned up 5 trees. We got 2 more to go as far as that's concerned. Horses have hay. Goats got a scratching. And we had a decent work day for the 3.5, 4 hours we were there. Y'all have a good weekend. Well, good week, and I'll see what I can do about posting something next week.